Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Well guys, this message is for every GME aspirant who is out there, who is feeling stuck, who has got the online content, whether Dreamer package, GME Excellence package, who has maybe tried to clear exams but he has failed maybe once or twice. Somebody who is not willing to take a risk where ki yaar I am giving my best shot but agar nahi hua, what will I do? What if now the IMS Goa exam is coming out in August and maybe in September, but what if I fail? I will have to wait for another 1 year. Guys, what if I give this exam in Anglo and I will not get selected this time? What will I do again? Well, if these kind of questions that are coming in your mind and that insecurity is there, then the answer is SMVD Marine Academy in Dehradun. This is offline coaching run by Vikas sir under my mentorship, guys. Abhi in the last 2 months, a lot of students, those who had bought the Dreamer package, Excellence package, they became a part of this community of this offline coaching. 4 of them got selected in DMECO recently. Abhay Sharma from Himachal Pradesh, Shiva Kumar from Karnataka, Arun P from Kerala, Muhammad Aslam from Kerala. 4 students immediately got into SCI. Pragnesh, Priyansh, Anurag Jangir, Samir Sheikh. 2 got into volumes, Anurag and Jadit Guharoy. Unix mein Omkar got selected. Vicious mein Prayash and Mahendra Chaurasia got selected. Now guys, among these students who got selected, Mahendra was a guy who was connected with me for the last 1.5 years but could not get selected. कई बार ये जो 2 महीने थे, he got an ambience, he got an atmosphere where the results had to show because a lot of hard work had been put in. But offline is offline. आपको ambience मिलता है, live interaction मिलता है, you can straight away ask questions, get answers. So for guys who are smart, earlier this opportunity was not there. So we said online, online, online. But whenever it is online versus offline, offline can always play dividends, guys. Offline will always play dividends. Please be rest assured. Second thing, if you have bought a GME Excellence package or Dreamer package, that much money will be deducted from your fees as well. Just show कि sir I am a part of GME Excellence package, आपकी उस fees में से वो money भी deduct कर दिया जाएगा. So you will not be paying anything extra. But we are hungry for training more people into maritime industry, making them better. This coaching is not going to help with just getting into Anglo, IMS Goa, Synergy exam, Unix, volumes, DMECO, no. But will also be helping ये concept जो है, it will help you in college as well as when you give your MEO class for exams. Online में you need to be highly self-motivated. Atmosphere is lacking. पढ़ रहे हैं कुछ चीज क्वेश्चंस हैं तो आंसर्स नहीं मिल पाते. I see a lot of students not asking questions. So offline will be of assistance, help out there. So people, if you are ready to take that risk, if you understand business कि यार अगर मेरे 2 महीने में अगर मैं निकाल देता हूँ या फिर क्लियर माई एग्जाम्स इन 3 months और 4 months, आई विल सेव माई another 6 months. एंड दो 6 months की सैलरी के अंदर तो 10 times the fees that I am giving at SMVD Marine Academy saved. So this is return on investment, guys. If you are coming at SMVD Marine Academy, you have to be sure कि मंडे से लेकर संडे तक पढ़ाई करनी है. You have to ensure that result comes, नहीं तो दुनिया आपको बेवकूफ़ बोलेगी. So you'll have to put in a lot of hard work along with Vikas sir. Vikas sir is doing for himself. Why? क्योंकि उनको SMVD Marine Academy ग्रो करना है. आप अपने लिए कीजिए and let the results come in, guys. So this is all I can say. This is the 2 month success and they are starting their second batch very soon. The number is given over here. Contact them if you want. And any guidance regarding GME with offline coaching you need, you'll get there. But I think so कि यार continuous mock interviews, continuously discussing with students, एक atmosphere, ambience and self-doubt, discussions, a lot of things, it will help you get faster results. This is all I can say. Faster results, efficient results. Most importantly, connectivity for lifetime. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.